Hey everyone, we hope you and your family are safe as we continue to stay at home and make sure that we fight this pandemic collectively. We wanted to make this video today to debunk some myths about living trusts, because a lot of you have been asking us, can a living trust be changed once it's set up? A lot of people think that nothing can be updated, it cannot be revoked. Once it's done, it's done. And a second myth is lots of you think that you give up control of your assets, like your house and your bank accounts, once you set up a living trust and put the assets inside the living trust. So in this video, we're going to do our best to debunk these myths and to show you the truth about what a living trust can do for your family. So Jennifer, start off with the first truth.
Sure. The living trust can actually be updated at any time while you're alive and healthy. So during your lifetime, if you decide, hey, I changed my mind, I actually don't want to make this distribution to this individual, you can make that change at any time during your lifetime. And it's not only just changing certain beneficiaries, you can revoke the whole thing. So if you decide, hey, maybe this isn't what I want, you could cancel it and kind of basically rip it up at any time during your lifetime. So it's still within your right to do that, even though you created this living trust. And then Cindy, maybe you could go through the other truth.
Oh, yes. So one of the other myths is that you lose control. But in reality, when you create a living trust, you keep full control of your assets. The assets are still in your name, just as the trustee of your trust. So this includes your house, your bank accounts, and other assets. You can sell it or do anything you want with those assets that you put into your trust. You can treat it as if nothing's really changed. And it really hasn't. The only thing is that now you have a trust, which will allow for your beneficiaries to receive the assets much more efficiently and much quicker. And the other thing is that your trustee doesn't step in until you're actually incapacitated or when you pass away. So no one is going to take away your power to manage your assets. Your beneficiaries have no voice in this until you actually pass. Your trustee doesn't have, your successor trustee, since you're the initial trustee, your successor trustee has no control over it until you become incapacitated and you actually need the assistance. So you remain in full control until you can't.
So the big takeaways of this video is, if you want control, then you should consider setting up a living trust, because you can control who gets what and also control how they get their inheritance. So you can set them up to receive your inheritance outright upon your passing, or you can structure it in a way where they get 25% at the age of 25 and the rest when they turn 40. If you want to encourage them to support themselves and to be productive human beings in our society. And you can also control who will step in and manage your assets if you're disabled or you pass away. So a living trust, contrary to a lot of rumors out there, it gives you more control than you might think. And we didn't mention this in this video, but we talk about this a lot in our other videos. A living trust also helps you avoid probate court and saves your family an average of $34,000. So if you want to learn more about that, check out our other videos about probate, and that will give you some reassurance of how a living trust can help your family. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your attention. We hope that you continue to stay safe during this pandemic, and we'll see you in the next videos.